Welcome back to the channel.
Today we're going to be making a complete meal from scratch.
This is all being made using items from our food stores, fresh tomatoes from our garden that we canned last fall using our own garlic and our own onions and basil.
We're also using a jar of tomato soup base that was made from tomatoes and herbs that we grew in our garden.
Onions, garlic, bell peppers, homemade butter, homemade bread, free bananas given to us by a friend, fresh eggs, Maine blueberries, and meat we purchased on sale in bulk. We have lots of bananas and blueberries in our freezer, so to use some of those up, I'm making a blueberry banana bread. This is going to make a wonderful dessert. This entire meal was made in and on our Pioneer Princess wood cook stove.
We purchased this stove from our local Amish store. They had it shipped up here from Kentucky where they are made. We don't just use the stove for cooking and baking, it's also how we heat our home in the cold winter months.
I recently had a viewer ask me if I would show how we use a lot of our dehydrated foods. Well, this is just one of the many ways that we use it. This is some dried basil that we grew in our garden, and we're using it to flavor this sauce for our chop suey. There's so many different things that you can dehydrate and use. You can dehydrate onions and garlic, use those in your foods, and you can also ground them down into a powder and use them for onion powder or garlic powder. We also are going to be using some dehydrated tomato skins. You can powder that up, and it has so many uses. And using it in your sauce as a tomato paste is just one of them.
Growing your own food can save a lot of money.
It can be frozen, canned, freeze-dried, or dehydrated so you can feed your family for several months.
And the best part is that it's healthier than the processed foods that you buy in the store. Another way to save money is to regrow your food. Green onions can be regrown by putting 2 inches of the root stalk into a little water and left on the windowsill to grow.